Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Bird Dog Blackberry flavored whiskey. It is 80 proof and is a product out of Bowling Green, Kentucky. Ounce and a half of your Bird Dog Blackberry flavored whiskey. Top it off with the tropical 7-Up. Give that a quick stir. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like for me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I'm going to raise my glass and pay my respects to James Johnson. James passed away on July 8, 2025 at the age of 78. He served in the Army from 1967 through 1969 with combat during the Vietnam War. He called North Dakota home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. It's decent. The blackberry mixes okay with the peach. You get this fruit medley, but it's not the greatest. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. James, may you rest in peace. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.